start my recording one step at a time. Oof, let's go. You are my motivation, guys. You are my motivation. You are the reason because I come. Because I was about to go back home, but I said, fuck this. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. That was for you. That was for you guys. Okay. I want to simulate. Let's get some simulation. Let's dive deep into LDA, find what is behind its mathematics, topic modeling, and also I want to send updates to, alright, this needs to be wiped out. Yeah, I'm gonna email Ehsan, email Nagin, and update them about. I don't want to wait until next Wednesday. Fuck that. Our research guys, I feel, started moving. It's the wheels are starting gradually. Now we are on downhill. We are gonna get faster. We are lubricated. I am wet as fuck. Let's go. So let me write this here for myself. Four. Momentum. Yeah, we got momentum. What's the point of slowing down once we got momentum, huh? All right. Did I say simulation? Let's do simulation. All right. Before doing simulation, I just wanna show you something, which is related to simulation. So. Where is it? Okay. So this is it. So we have our Q, right? We wanted to see. All right. We know that LDA works fine for many observation Q probabilities. That's the thing. We have our model of cascade, and we went over multinomial. That is for one click, or they have variations that covers. Okay. Let me go on a recap on multinomial. Multinomial, one click. They had one click. They had variations that allows multiple clicks. We couldn't find a clear mapping between multinomial and topic modeling at the moment. Decided after the meeting, let's go dive deeply into LDA topic modeling, and then once we studied it, we analyzed our data set, everything with topic modeling. Based on topic modeling, we may go to multinomial logic. I think everybody was on the same page with it, and I liked it. Sounds good. Now I have better understanding of multinomial as well. So okay, what is happening? So we have our cascade model, and we have these positions 1, 2, 3. This is n, right? And each one of them has a quitting probability Q, right? Q1, that once you observed item 1, what are the odds that you leave? Q2, what are the odds once you observed after 2? you leave Q3 and then we have like Qn. Probably they are increasing, I feel. But what is Q related to is probability of observing item n. Probability of item position, sorry, position is better here. We are not changing the ranking, so probability of position J being observed, what is it? Equals pi k1 to j, probably minus 1, maybe 1 minus qk, right? So item 2 being observed is 1 minus q1, right? Item 1 being observed is 1. Item 3 being observed, 1 minus q1, 1 minus q2. So this is it, all right? And I want to call it, all right, let's call it OJ. OJ is k1, j minus 1, 1 minus qk. So these qk's are actually kind of their steps between OJs. And once you have OJ, what is QJ? QJ is OJ plus 1 over OJ. OJ plus 1, and ON, what is ON? ON plus 1 is always 0, right? ON plus 1 is always 0. And we have these two things. And QN is always 1. And O1 is also 1. O1 is 1. Q1, okay. So that's it. And I want to say we have this. And QJ is actually 1 minus OJ plus 1, 1 minus, exactly. 1 minus OJ plus 1 over OJ. That's it. And what is Q? So I want to say there is a mapping here, right? Equivalence theorem or something like that. What do we expect from QJs is that QJs should be between 0 and 1. That's the only constraint on Qs. And okay, Qn equals 1, something like that. So then we want to say what this maps to OJ. This maps to OJ plus 1 being always less than OJ, and they're obviously greater than 0, less than 1, and Qn and On plus 1 is always 0. So what is it? Well, it says that actually you can see that if you have a sequence of O like this, you can say that we can make Q as well. We have they are probabilities, they are decreasing, and On plus 1 is always 1. Oh, O1 should be also 1. What is this? O1 is 1. Does it give us Q? O1, so we don't have Q0. Alright. That's the thing. J here is from 1 to n plus 1. Here is from J1 to n. So that's why we have. Alright, O1 should be 1. That sounds extra, but in our model, first item is always being seen. So O1 is 1. So any sequence we have that starts from 1, right? And at n plus 1 to n. This is O, J, and it's decreasing, and at n plus 1, it is 0, it's here. Or n can be something positive, because yes. So something like this, anything like that can be acceptable, right? And qn's are kind of the rate of this decay. And we want to see when LDA breaks to find this classifications, right? Let's do that. Let's do this. And actually, it's a good point to email Nagin and update her for what we want to do. Oh shit, I don't want you to see it. So what happened at the last meeting? Um, we could not. I could not find a clear mapping between multinomial MNL and topic modeling, even though both sound related to our problem. We decided to can we fix it? So we're related. So we decided to dive to continue with topic modeling for now and dive deeper mathematics. uh, when the effect of ranking matters. Specifically, finding out when the effect of ranking matters, and normal LDA is not enough for fun. Specifically, finding out when the matters and normally is not. When, okay, instead of when, let's be more clear, finding out for what regime of for what regime of decay in observability. Greens. Let me also add other people to it. So and also Munzer. Yeah. Whatever. 10 people can add their own. Let's go. I'm happy. Okay. So we have that function because what does bigger Q mean? Actually, Q is what we care. If we are talking about the decay of observability, we can say, okay, it's turning linearly or something like that. And what is that decay factor? It is Q. It's 1 minus Q. So bigger Qs means faster decay, obviously. Do you want to try constant Q? Alright, let's try constant Q. Sounds like good, like a good geometric decay. Okay, constant Q, Qn is 1, but other Qs are like 1/2 or whatever. Let's try that. No, that's actually very beautiful intuition. It gives great intuition. Let's go. La 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 la. I wanna la 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 la. Give intuition. La 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 la. La 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 la. When I am gonna. Well, there are also other factors involved. The relevance. There's so many parameters we can play with, but let's fix everything and play with only one parameter. La la la. Even we can take all of them to extreme, like making R's 1 or 0.9. We wanna play around, guys. You wanna spend some time. أبو الفازل. Abul texted me his manager's favorite book is Rich Dad Poor Dad. Dude, I meant to be a manager, to be honest. I feel it. Honestly, I should apply for being a manager. I have the skills. Alright, guys, let's not get distracted. We want to work. Category identification, click simulation, cascade. Cascade. I think Cascade is the main one. The other two are... Actually, let's get rid of the two others. So we click simulate. We simulate the click. And then... Alright, one other thing came to my mind was that I wanted to simulate how good topic modeling does. That was about relation between... I think topic modeling cannot do anything if you only allow one click. Right? Anyways, I don't think it's good. But let's try it. Alright, let's give topic modeling a chance. Where is it? So, okay, I have to change the code if I wanna do that, run that test. That I wanna allow only one click. That would be a whole huge change. Fuck that. Fuck, we are not going to connect to multinomial. So let's first of all, let's check our first. Let's keep it simple, guys. Simple. So R1 is 0.9, and then I'm gonna 0.9 actually. I want to keep it simple. 0.9, 0.9, and so item 1, which is 0, 4, which is 3, 3, item 6 and 7. 1, 4, 6, and 7 are in one group, and then we have what is the length? And is and we have 9. We have 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, I think there are 9 of them. 1, 2, 3, 6, 6, 9, 9. Yeah, okay. And then let's set Q. We wanted to set the Q as constant. Alright. Let's do it. Let's make it 0.1. So the odds of leaving it is 0.9. You see object 2, 0. It's like a very patient user, goes through all of them. Then 0.9, 0.81, 0.729. Decay is very slow. Decay is slow. This is slow. This is slow. This decay is slow. This is slow. But this, right? And then what is P? Oh, okay. P is probability user is type 1 with probability P. I want to make it 0.7. And then these are all good. What is this part of the code? So this generates the click thing. Let's make it. This is the part that our EM method was about to. We are not interested in it right now. We just ignore this part of the code. And we come for LDA. We let it learn, and then it vectorizes for us and tells us what's up. We have the effect of ranking, but we don't have the extra effect. What? Job is fun. Motherfucker says I have a side hustle. Earn me a couple grands a month. Eat 4 frozen meal every day. What does that mean? Huh? Okay, guys, I'm getting distracted. Allow me to take him back. The guy just got his job. It's cool. I want to get a job. I want to have a company. I want to give jobs. I don't take L's. I give them out. All right. Oh. two topics. What did I do? Did I change anything? LDA, no ranking effect. What is this part of the code? They are the same shell. This is just for the comparison. What does this part of the code do that this part doesn't? Step 4, step 5, step 6, step 1 and step 2. Oh, okay, I separated the code. So this part of the code just matches our data set to the framework that is suitable for LDA, and this part of the code does the estimation. All right, so let's do this code. Zero, 1, 3 exactly. Let's look at the click data also. I like that. So what are 1, 4, 6, 7 are the numbers, right? 1, 4, 6, 7. And then we have 2, 3, 5, 8, 9. So 1, 4, 6, 7. So this here you can see actually he's clicking on other. We have 0, okay. So it is 2, 3, 5, 8, 9. Okay. What does that? The first one does not click at all. Interesting. Okay, so it is 0, 3, 5, 6. 0, 3, 5, 6 should be in one category. 1, 2, 4, 7, 8 should be in one category. And you can see that he got 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, actually the whole category. He clicked on all of it. Then we have 0, 1, which is mix. We have 1, we have 0, we have 1, 2, 6. 6 is from the other category, 7, 8. And then we have 1, 2. Then we have 0, 2, 3, 5, 6. 0, 2 is extra, 3, 5, 6. So this is from the other group. So I thought category 1 is 0.7, right? We are getting more from the other category. Interesting. 3, 5, 6. I can see a lot of 5, 6. What's wrong? I should see more 1, 2 than 5, 6. Oh, 5, 6 is actually the first group. Alright. So it's type 1. Okay, makes sense. Yeah, 5, 6. We need to see like 5, 6. I don't know. Like 0.5, 0.3. And then we have log likelihood mixture. So we generated this one. We can do this too. I think it generates good numbers. Oh shit. Okay, I gave it wrong cues. The thing with LDA is that they don't need no Q, no LDA, no fucking P, no fucking. So we have two approaches. We can generate our own code model, going finding Q, going finding P, and everything. Or, which I think is better in that, if we can find a model that gives us the P. Or we can like improve this algorithm here that was based on EM for this one. This is one approach. The other approach is going to topic modeling because it's already doing a good job, and then finding if we can change it. I don't like that, honestly. Getting some person's job which was designed for one framework and try to change it. But it can help us, give us some intuition, or just confuse us, to be honest. So you can see RA is 0.1, 0.9, 0.9, 0.0, 0.8. This algorithm is actually doing good job. And then the other one, 0.8, 0.1, 0.0, better actually, 0.8, 0. Yes, it should be low. So here is the thing, it just switches the position of the product. 0.8, 0.9. It's doing a good job, to be honest. Our EM algorithm, maybe its likelihood is not as great, but it is. I like that actually. Let's see which one breaks first. Our LDA. Okay, our algorithm is getting more data, to be honest. It is getting P. It's getting a wrong Q. Even with a wrong Q, it's doing a good job. So it is kind of robust. Let's have this. I wanna our simulations. Yeah, I don't want to have it right here. Let me have a beautiful one. Chat GPTized. Actually, let me delete this one because can you clean it up, polish it. Our primitive algorithm and cons. One asks for P, 2 asks for Q, and asks for P, asks for Q, and what else? That's all he asked for. Positions clicked. Okay, likelihood is low or whatever. I can add that too. What was that? Likelihood. I had a print. I don't care about the likelihood it achieves. Fuck that, by the way. Pros. One, it also estimates the scores for each category and has the effect of ranking. Two, robust to wrong Q and P for estimation. Is it the case? What is the P here? Here is 0.5, but the main one is 0.7. Because I have to come back. Alright, let me give 5 minutes. Primitive. No. Okay, I have to go. Yeah, I want to add a section called simulation. And let's go to main. Why is it? Why is it after? Oh, literature, I see. Okay, and dude, I'm exploding. That's it. Let's wait. This is the point a tough researcher is built. Okay, it is okay. 5 minutes is done. So also add. Also, let's add. pros of LDA. It already exists. Yes, and works well for many range of parameters. Um, as long as two. Oh shit! No. Oh, copy. Which one is copied? No. Two. As long as we care about the clusters score categories, not the score of item in each category. They works well. What else? It already exists. What are its cons? I can add the cons later. We should see if LDA has any cons. We wanna see if LDA has cons. Why do we have it in an enumerate package? Alright. Dude, do you see? Like, from my algorithm, I started with cons, then said it's pros, and for LDA, I don't. It seems I'm a bit biased. To be honest, I am. I'm like, yo, if LDA does a good job, why are we pushing? By the way, how come here we have indent, but and enumerate text item. But here LDA, what's their difference? Why do we have indentation? Why do we have indentation? ChatGPT is crazy. It's fantastic. Uh, where is the paragraph section? I don't want the view space. I want the paragraph. Where is the paragraph? Paragraph. Okay. But I want prose to be next line. Why not? We cannot copy anymore? What kind of fucking GPT is this? What the fuck? That's such an ugly thing. Fuck that, it's getting complicated. Okay, fuck this. Alright, but now you should give me another line. Okay, okay, fuck present. What about content? Alright, now let's go to the content. Let's run the LDA part. So vocabulary, sample document. Yeah, these are clicked. And then we want to see what's happening here. Good job. Good job. You can see the effect of ranking on LDA. Like, LDA is not finding the scores pretty good. Doesn't do a good job on finding the scores. So let's add one. Where is the cons? Oh, cons, okay. How is that possible? Jesus, that's impossible. How is this possible? So if I add this here, so you can see, right? Like all of them were 0.9, and now LDA is giving 0.35 for this, but 0.24 for this, and then 0.18, 0.19, which is not great. Is it 42? The random seed. I guess it is. And for the second round, 0.29, 0.23, while all of them have the same score. And very bad here. Very bad here, yeah. curious to know what you think. Actually, this is a good simulation. Did I fix everything or no? For the Q. Yeah, let's do something else, like say 0.4. I want to see how good it does here. 4. Oh, this is not the algorithm. Oh, this is, okay, this is 4. 4. I think naturally it gives higher scores to the later parts. Because it says, oh, how good they are, even though we are losing customers, they are getting clicks. It is because they are such a good relevance. They have such a good relevance. Nine, which is good. 95, which is good. Actually, not what I was thinking. So it was. These two next to each other, 1 and 2. And then we want to have 4. And then we want to have. It does pretty good job, right? And then, okay, it's not as good, but I think compared to LDA, it does far better. Like you give it a wrong Q, it's still we changed Q a lot, to be honest. And then here 1, and then again 0.9. Simple EM. Okay, the thing is that why do we need to improve? If it is this good, why do we need to improve our current algorithm? Right? It's pretty good. Yeah, LDA. What is left? It does a good job. It seems the problem is solved. I don't need to improve. I just, like, my Q is wrong, my P is wrong, and I'm getting a good result. Why should I improve? My algorithm, if it is doing a good job. Okay, let's fix one thing. Focus on one thing for now. And we get back to other stuff. I deleted that part of the code. I needed it. I think if you can plot them, that's nice. Yeah. is what we want to do. I want to plot this. How many things should I plot? Like let's add a section simulation one. Okay, let's ask ChatGPT to do it for us. All right. These are the parameters of the model generating parameters of the dataset. Dude, I love ChatGPT. Just and these are estimation. Input methods for our estimation. Tell me guys, what is it for our estimation? Tired. No, I'm energetic. Fuck this. These are input parameters for our primitive estimation algorithm. Lulu, no, This is it. Q hat maybe. Baby. And then P hat is like I know. And these are the estimated scores. And these are estimation from LDA. Okay, I want to also see what is the probability it assigns. So you can see like 0.4, 0.5. It's not even like fixed. It's not fixed. Fixed. Now look at this part. Look at this fucking ChatGPT. Can you plot them? Can you make plots and tables and present beautifully? That's it. Let's see how ChatGPT does. ChatGPT. What was I doing? Come on, be faster. 999999999. Rename you here. La line. Okay. Oh, okay, I should rename it here. Okay. Dirt. So, wow, this is amazing, but okay, I need to tell them to scale them. Comparison of R1 estimated topic. Which one is hat? Okay, these colors are so close to each other, I don't understand any of them. R1 true. So it is back 0.9, 0.9. Okay, that's not a big deal. We can understand. They're just switched. Yeah, that's not a big deal. All right. I want you and we can say that too. Like we can scale topic one different. Some of it with some of our one. Please make these changes. Please make these minor changes. Switch R hat, A hat, and RB hat. One. Switch R A hat and R. And switch R A hat, RB hat. To scale up, which let's see if also this is switched. Topic 1, topic 2. Wait, topic 1 is 0, the first item, and then we have, yeah, so switch topic 1, switch topic 2 as well. Switch, let me see in the right. And now the comparison is difficult. Switch topic 1 and topic 2 as well, and 3, scale up topic 1 to, so its sum is equal to the sum of R, is it R here? R1, okay, R1. And scale up topic, sorry, R2 actually, topic 2, so is equal to sum of R1. Maybe I wanna do, this is 3, Control X, Control V. Oh, okay, use different colors. For the plots, use colors which are How is that zero scale? Mm-hmm. Um, Assign same colors uh, across methods and real data for the two figures. What is their difference? I prefer this one. And is it the same? You can see that LDA overestimates at the beginning and underestimates at the top. What about us? We are pretty close. It's not obvious what you're doing. Okay, it doesn't, to be honest, from the point of finding the clusters, it doesn't matter. And yes, can you, great. Can you give me the code, LaTeX version of the figures? Also do the same changes to the table and give their LaTeX. Lie, lie, la, lie, lie, la, lie, lie, la, lie, lie, la, 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 lie, la, lie, lie, la, lie, lie, la, 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 lie, la, la, lie, la, la, lie, lie, lie. You save the plots R1 come. Ah, I see. I should have first saved them. No problem with that. I do it as you wish. Lie, lie, la, la, lie. Saving the Platish. Michel Platini. La 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 lay lay la lay lay Largetni Kora. Whose song was that? No, no, no. See, my dad texted me the moment I started it. Honestly, these videos he sends. Oh my god. Good stuff, but spams a lot. Four. Oh my god. That's the thing. Oh, okay. I was about to say he sends one message 4 times, but this time it was 2 messages 2 times each. So we are improving. Here. I check them later. Maybe actually let me pause, call my dad, and come back. Oh, back. So where am I? What are you looking at? Okay, yeah. Look at these graphs. I made it all for you. Okay, let's do first R1 comparison.png and R2 why not JPG? Why PNG? La 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 la. Where is it? Where I don't have them. I don't have them. Where is it? Let me know if you like help exporting this plus or turning into. Alright, let's first copy this. Okay. Where can I control X? And I should take it to thesis here. You can upload them here. Let's have them here. And then two the same. Dude, this is amazing. Honestly, each one of these was a huge task. Like taking all my energy, especially because these were kind of things I didn't like to do. I wanted to focus on my work, and then these plottings and a lot of syntaxes. And now these are all done by ChatGPT. Oh my god, automated, and it's fantastic. And I can for and then you see something that it was so difficult to get. Now you have it here. It's just amazing. It gives you energy, to be honest. Where should I do? So I am going here, and I am going to add a folder, probably. Create folder. I don't know. Plots. Da 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 na 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 na. Select files, and I'm going to, where was it? See, thesis. Alright, should they be in the same? Okay. I guess my guess is right. I need to bring them here. How can I move it here? Inside the folder, I wanna create a new folder. Plots. See? And let's remove this. Delete it. And then I wanna upload, and fuck you, dude. Where is it? Main MNL simulation. Yeah, no, upload. Select files. Okay, looks good, right? God, I never could have seen. I have paper like this. That's this is fantastic. I got rid of the bullshit. So what are the okay? These pros and cons. Pros or there's no pros when you're playing with the pros, right? Yeah. So I said cons for requires input parameter P and Q. Estimation category robot, and I said robust to inaccuracies in PMQ during estimation. Estimates categories scores, effectively providing a ranking. Not category scores, items. Or within category scores. Ranking, robust in reindeer. LDA cons does not provide item level scores within each category. Okay, does that provide item? Each category well established and perform perfectly across a wide range of parameter settings when we care about identifying categories rather than score items within. Yeah, I like that. I like that. It's pretty good. I think our plots show that our method is doing better job, uh, and very tasteful. Honestly, the presentation is beautiful here. So, and what else I want to say? Oh, now we want to see when now we want to say when LDA breaks. Let's look at that. Let's do it for different values of Q. That was the thing we wanted to start with. So let's change Q and see how it changes. Mhm. Honestly, God save all of them. Who are they? What are their name? Mm, why did I stop? Because fucking I don't need reason for starting my thing. Why did I stop? Fuck that. Fucking need no reason. Let's do. Do you wanna do that? Yeah, I think that's good. Let's. I wanna change Q. I wanna have faster decay. Probably. Kernel restart and carousel. Dude, I should not text while working. That's stupid. Nine 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 nine. Yeah. So it was Q 0.1 is there, right? Oh, that one. Features of ranking, features of categorization. Alright, we can see the same. Actually, that's quite high. This one is actually worse. It's kind of funny. That's crazy. Topic modeling is fucked now. Nine 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 la la nine 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 nine. برای با تو بودن. Oh shit, alright, we are keeping it English. آخرینم باش. So what is new? What is new? Q is changing. I'm changing Q for QI 0.2. Well, I didn't mention in the my P07. I didn't tell you to write down P07. Caption. Where is the caption? How is it text there? Dude, my posture. P equals 0.7. And P hat. It's like 0.5. How can I write? How can I? That's it. That's the only thing. Now I want to change it to I should add it to caption. All right. X caption control V caption control V figure caption okay, and I wanna now do the can we have the same figures? This time QI 0.2 and I wanna then I wanna that's it, right? So let's see. Again, we need to switch RB and RA. And what about topic? Topics. One is their numbers. Actually, topic modeling is terrible here. I don't know what's doing. So, which one happened? So 1 and 2 should be in the same group. Okay, these two are in the same group. And these two are in the same group. Dude, these numbers makes me want to jerk off. So weird. Okay, topic 0. I feel topic 0 is alright, first of all, let's fix this. RB, or had B. This time, R hat B. I'm coming. R1 is the one. Number 1 is in R1 and number 4. Okay. This time, R hat B should match R1 and topic 0 should match R1 as well. Fucking yes. This is so wrong. You can see that. Oh, actually, topic, sorry. This is just wrong. Yeah, this is wrong. So it makes more sense now. This one is so wrong. I don't know why it's like this. You can see definitely this time we are doing a better job. Yeah, give me the PNG files. Still, if you look, other than the first item, you can say they are still giving us the right cluster. Not really, to be honest. It's doing terrible job. Our algorithm is doing much better. Well, so it shows that actually effective ranking matters. It shows that the effect of ranking matters. Woo! So we are doing something important. Our fucking dumbest algorithm is doing far better than the LDA. So we are doing something important. Let me run this code again, by the way. I'm not sure, it doesn't make no sense. I'm so happy we are doing something that matters. If it was like, oh, LDA works, we want to improve it, I hated it, to be honest. I want LDA not to work, and I do something that works, you know. No, I want to do something that matters. So our algorithm right now is a bit slow, dumb, quite slow to be honest. House full of done, done fuck, done fuck, done fuck, done fuck, done fuck, done fuck, done fuck. Idiot. Oh, actually, we are doing poor on the last one. But actually, I feel ranking matters. Ranking matters badly. I am happy sadly. La 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 la. I'm happy sadly. So again the same shit. It's doing very bad to be honest. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Secretly not. Well, we don't want to name them comparison correct. I need to change their name. Okay, what do I want to say is that Q2. What? How did you do both of them? Or one or two comparison? So the thing is that our algorithm now does pretty good job. Why should we improve it? And at the stage it is right now, it's not a huge discovery. What's the point? It just works fine, simple. Almost I didn't use any brain to do it. So what is the point of it? Why should we, first of all, why should we improve it? If it is doing a good job, do we want to push ourselves to a place that is very difficult and then try to optimize it? I don't like that too. I don't like that mindset too. If it is an algorithm, even if it was with LDA, all right, that was working pretty good for most cases, I would be happy with it. So yeah, we may explore and find where these algorithms break, but to be honest, I don't want to have this mindset. I want to have one algorithm that does pretty good job on most cases. That's what I care about. So this part we are going to not tables, just figures. Yes, I wanna do. And why should we go to the mathematics of LDA? Try to fix topic modeling and add ranking to it. Why don't we use our own algorithm and improve it mathematically? All right, these two are close. I think there is no space for optimization here. Both are very good for us. We can do both of them. Wait a second. 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 I want to say. Yeah, alright, you may say, dude, LDA does bad on some basic examples that it should do well, then yes, I think I agree. This was a basic example. And okay, we will have time for the la 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 la, and this is Q2. Q2, and this is a 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. That's it, I guess. Simple. Further. Figure 3, figure 4. Does it look like the sum of topic 1 and sum of sum of topic 1 and sum of topic R1 are equivalent, because we have like extra here and we have smaller here, so it makes sense. That was my scaling normalization. Doesn't matter. It is this. If somebody has problem, we will fix it later. And keep on, guys. I cannot tell you go to on. Okay, I hope Sam makes keeps on fast. Make sure your friends are on their projects, doing the things they want to do. Sometimes they need some push. Hopefully Sam makes his app ASAP. Make your app ASAP and we can use it. Actually, we can use that app for anything. You can just tell your friends, I want you to push me in this direction. Okay, Sam is doing it for workout, but we can do it for everything. Nice name. Keep on. Do you want to move? I think LDA is doing bad. I don't want to. Like, what is the point? Once it is doing bad, what is the point of showing that it's doing bad all the time? I don't want to make fun of other people. But maybe a little bit more, and then we stop. Because I want to figure out how we are doing, and it really feels good that you are doing better than others. So because our solution cannot stand by for itself. We need we need to show that other people suck in order to prove ourselves. Fucking LDA sucker. Oh no! Oh, okay, that's fine. This part, actually, this part, we don't need to make any change. So what? Worst case, LDA is a total mistake. I want to waste my time, go deep inside mathematics of LDA. I want to waste my time. Fuck. I don't want to start my own app. I want to learn this. I want it to fuck up my mind and get me biased on thinking. Who the fuck cares? Alright, topic 0. Oh shit. Oh my god, LDA is doing bad job, honestly. Alright, now it's our time, guys. It's our time to save humanity. Humanity. Ah, I hate saving humanity. Go save yourself, fuckers. This is terrible, by the way. Wow, LDA. I expected LDA does better. Actually, LDA is not doing good at all. Now that I see. To be honest, Negin was a bigger believer in this project. Yeah, it was just, I don't know which one is which one. Like, it gives a big number to the item 1. And if you look at item topic 1, it gives slow. All of them are uniform, actually. That's terrible. Alright, we need to. Maybe actually it says fuck LDA, actually. We don't even know. I'm just in contradiction all the time. So now it seems it's more about the effect of ranking matters, um, but why should we have an efficient algorithm for it? Why just we don't have an algorithm? Actually, I can ask ChatGPT, by the way, which vector of topic 0 or topic 1 matches R1 better. Line, a line, a line, a line, line, a line, line, a line, a line, instead of nine, a nine, a nine, a nine, nine. Re. So we can see that here we have a brown column from LDA. Our method is doing good, LDA is bad. Actually, LDA is very bad. And here our method is far better. How did we scale them? Yeah, let's redo that because we have this all these ugly shapes. Who cares? They are expressive enough. They are expressive enough, and we can decide to change them later. Fuck that. I don't care. Perfecto. Beautiful. Don't fuck, they are two different. Why do you name them the same thing? This is R2, this is R1. Alright. R1, Q3. R1. Dude, why do I look at my phone all the time? Look at them later. R1, R2, Q3. Why am I so flawed? Dude. Ah. Oh, okay, now we should go to this one. How is that possible? R1, Q3, and 3, and R2, Q3. What? There's no file called. Oh, we didn't upload them. Right. LDA. So we need to change this now. Alright, I want to do one last one that Q is changing. Alright, what do I want to say? QI is... Q is like this. Let's do some extreme value as well here. Like this time probably we have less data. It should be a harder task for us to estimate. Like, what are the odds of getting to number 9 is like 0.1 to the 7, which is very low. How many data do we have? Number of session is 100. That's very low. In 100 you don't find that shit. Alright, in 100 you don't find it. Well, I think yes, our algorithm needs to improve because it's very slow. The number of data, number of sessions are pretty low. Let's wait. Oh, I didn't want to print that. Okay, I can. This takes some time. Because our algorithm is dumb as fuck. Dude, I'm looking for the fuck out of here. So let me change these cons. You know what? I'm just done with LDA. I think LDA is kind of a rejected algorithm, and the plots speak for themselves. So I'm not gonna add LDA. Maybe slow. Yeah, we are updating our data. And pros estimate within category. What are the cons? Campaign and then item. Is it slow? Can be slow. So I want to leave a question mark because honestly I don't know what is fast. How much time we need? Yeah, it's quite slow. Like if it is just 1,000 data set taking this much time, then real data set there are so many customers. Fuck, dude, I don't want to look at you. Oh, honestly, I think I found the way to get rid of addiction. It is through friction. Addiction and friction are against each other. It is the same with Nutella, with your Instagram. I installed Refocus. I'm still going on Insta, but amount of time, number of times I go, and just because I am opening a Refocus, I remember that some just a small nudge that you don't want to go there stops you so many times. Wow, fucking my leg has a lot of hair. How long was it? Oh, I'm waiting for Costa's text, so this time. Alright, this is another day. Perfecto. Better I stay at home and work like a stay at home mom. Low visibility, what's happening? Is it fog? Don't show me. Actually, I don't want to look at it. Unrelated. You know, when I push here, it should be all LDA, all ranking algorithm, all topic. What are these bullshits? I want to go to extreme. I want to see how far I can go on topic modeling and categorization and LDA and machine learning, EM, estimation, maximization. Dude, it is very slow. It is terrible. Our algorithm is terrible, alright. But it's very slow. Can be very slow. Slow as fuck. So let's change this. Where are you? Yeah, we can set it is slow. Alright, let's go chat GPT. How can I maybe now LDA helps us because LDA is efficient. Efficient but not sufficient. How can I measure the time a code takes to run or run, whatever. Import time, start time, time it precise. This is actually, the first one is pretty good. So this is pretty long. Kernel. Not should I guess I need to. Okay, 1,000 is too many. 1,000 is too many. So let's say this is 0.9. What the fuck's it? 1,000 obsession. And 200. Just 200, guys. Ninety seconds. 90 seconds is too long, I feel. Let's check how chat LDA takes. That's quite fast. Seconds. Alright, let's make a table here. Alright, by the way, this is very difficult, right? Both my algorithm and the other one, because we get no observation. It's all 0 and 1. So you can see if, okay, there is 1, 1, 2. That's it. Of course, this Q is high, that's it. Both of them will break, and for sure this one also. This is just completely random, by the way. Alright. Because we don't even have enough data. So this is not an interesting case. Let's go. Because the bottleneck is something else. Let's go something meaningful. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. I wanna the person to get impatient as they go deeper down the list, and odds of them leaving the think again this is not a good example because I love how research is going. Like we are getting what is the next obstacle every time. Do we have like what is the oldest? If we don't get any 7, 6, 7, 8, like we go up to 6. That's what we do. What are the odds? 0.9. So we want to get the last being seen 0.1 times. What is 9 factor? 8 factor. It will be 9 factorial, right? Yeah, 9 factorial over 10 to the 8. So the odds of reaching to the last position is like 0.0036. Like if I do if I do 1,000 of those fucking thing, I will have 3 of them reaching to the last one, and out of those 0.9, so if I multiply it by 0.9, will be almost again the same, 0.003. So out of 1,000 we may have 3 of them. How is that possible? So if we get there, we almost click on them. That's the thing. Oh no, actually no. Okay, it should not be. And we should multiply it by 0.03 because it happens if user is type 1, they by probably 0.1 click on it. So out of our 1,003 get to the last position, but if they are 0.1, they are like 0.3, like we don't get even 1 click from them. But if you have like 0.3, they are type 2, and then with 0.9 they receive it, so we will have like out of 1,000 we almost get 1 click to the last item. So this is not a good data set. It's even like is less than 1 over 1,000. So this is not a good experiment too. So okay, I think we got enough that we say, alright, LDA is not working. Next challenge for us. Alright. Next challenge for us is just it's a slow. We need to run it for like longer. Alright. That's our challenge. Alright, bottleneck. This is our more efficient. Let me fix it. Where is it? Can be slow. Yeah, it is slow. Run data. It's the bottleneck. I think that's the bottleneck. All right, I'm going to let's bring the Q down. Let's bring the Q down and IQ down. Look. Where is Q? We're going to 0.2. I don't want to 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, and that's it. And I wanna how many samples? What did I wanna find? Bottleneck. All right. But LDA does pretty good job on timing. And it's pretty close. Topic modeling is close. There's like nuanced differences in how we model. Like once our user is of type A, he will be type A forever. But in topic modeling, each word needs to be coined to see, flip a coin to see which category they belong. So I think there is value in reading it. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do. We are playing counter, and then we are diving deep in LDA to find ways to improve the speed of our own algorithm. Next is our method is slow. 200 sample is like 90 seconds to run, and dive in LDA to see if we can improve. Actually, we can give our algorithm to ChatGPT and see if it can improve. Dive in LDA to see if we can improve the efficiency. What is it called? O1? ChatGPT O1. What is it? I can give it to you. It's temporary. Alright. Time for some counter. Where are you? At the right spot. I'm happy. Well, I'm not happy. What is it? Well, I feel happy because, okay, LDA is not working. Because if LDA was working, those questions would be dumb shit. For what classes of decay we need to find a good working LDA, and yeah, I think LDA is not working well. So I feel last times I used to tweak Q small numbers and get good results with LDA. This time we changed it.
Let's roll.
And we removed the effect of like ranking and people are watching, dude. They're home. Come here, baby. Draco, he looks familiar to me. How many of us? We are everywhere. Who's winning? I don't know, I'm dying. That was me. Ooh, who's killing me? Why are we dying? Who's killing us? These are the main questions. I like shirts. I like shirts. Elepala, Punaner, Sharp. Dude, give me some. Indeed. Amphibians. I can see. Doberman. You love it or what? Finding the angle. No! Oh man! Shit. And this time it was my turn. Jeez. I didn't kill? Wow. Ooh, la la. Reiko or Reiko. Bench. Ah! He had me? He's so sharp. Dude, are you fucking slow? Wow. That was really bad. Just spawn. Do you see? When you click in a row, it doesn't kill. With one shoot? How is that possible? Wait a second, how can you kill me with one shoot? Oh, if you headshot. Wow, okay, guys. Jesus, so fast. Dude, not everybody could be. I didn't even look. Jeez. Jesus, that was nasty. Wow, okay. Jesus, who are these? They are zombies. I didn't even see. Wow. How did you go there? How did you go there? That was so cool. Wow. That's fantastic. How can you go there? Wow, okay, dude. They are another level. We got it. I'm kind of terrified. They show up from weird spaces. Like having crocodile at your home. Is only babe who killed them. Bot killed me. Where is he shooting from, dude? That was bad. Let's go baggage, guys. Okay. Just because you're pretty good at this game. Otherwise I would leave. Whoa. Already had these photos, bro. Thanks, ChatGPT, honestly. In his hand. Oh, don't sit down in front of me anymore. back, my friend. You fucking ass. Did you see that? Ah! Hurt. Honestly, it hurt. Seeing that. If I had him. I love it. That was beautiful. Why are you all together? What's the group sex? Oh shit. Happy and jumped out of it. Ma'am, dude. Ma'am, dude. Dude, what is happening? What is happening? There are just too many of them. At this point. Are we too many or they are too many? No, I was only with the... Dude, let's go this one, honestly. What's wrong with you? Baggage, what is wrong with baggage? Pew, pew, pew. Pew, 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 pew. All of them left. I'm alone. Oh, that's why. Alright. Punaners? What the fuck is Punaners? Matina. Patina. Did you love it or how did you have fun with it? Wait, what? Who shoots? Jeez, it's fucking in your face. Did you love it or not? Okay, come here. Love it. I couldn't follow. Kobe. Damn, look at Banana. Jesus. You died too, as I expected. But that intelligence. She's back. Where am I? Exit.